Hello everyone, thank you for checking in. In this video, I am going to try to start up my Nitro powered RC motorcycle, which has been sitting in its box for 10 years. So I made some modifications. I changed the flywheel because it was broken actually, and changed the steering servo because it was also dead. And I have disassembled the whole motorcycle and clean the engine with the WD-40 cleaning liquid. Now I am going to try to start it for the first time after 10 years. So also this is a homemade stand, because normally the engine should be vertical, but on this motorcycle the engine is lying horizontal, so it's better to keep the vehicle upside down. And I'm going to use this rotostat to start the engine. Let's first open the receiver. Yes, everything is working. By the way, I am not going to drive it today because I still need some parts. I am just going to try to start it up. So I also made a switch for the glow plug, so I don't need to use a glow plug igniter. Yes, let's start. After 10 years, it worked at the first try. Let's start again. Again. Great, but I really need some parts to complete it. In the next video, we are going to test, we are going to try to drive and try to measure the top speed.